how neuroplasticity can help you recover from stress. Hello everyone, welcome to the Diary of a Scientist. I am Dr. Shambhu Yadav, a neuroscientist and a stress biologist at Harvard Medical School. Today we are talking about stress, a challenge that affects all of us, whether it's from the work demand, continuous smartphone usage, financial pressure, or global uncertainty. If you are feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or exhausted, it's very common nowadays. So the key question is, can our brain recover from stress? The answer lies in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself. So let's explore what happens in your brain under stress and how you can harness neuroplasticity to build resilience. So let's talk a little bit about the science of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's capacity to form new neuronal connections and strengthen the existing one or weaken those no longer needed, even in the childhood. For years, scientists thought that the brain structure was fixed after childhood. But the research now shows it remains adaptable throughout the life. And the chronic stress that disrupts this process. Prolonged stress reduces the size of your hippocampus, which is your brain part, which support memory and emotional regulation. It also overactivates the amygdala, which is the fear center, heightening fear and anxiety responses, and impair dopamine system, that reducing motivation. And these changes make it harder to manage stress over time. But the good news is, neuroplasticity works both ways. While the stress can alter the brain negatively, intentional habit can rewire it positively, helping you build the resilience. So, why this matters to you? Stress affects everyone, whether you are balancing work, family, or personal responsibility. The demand of modern life, like deadline, continuous notification, and uncertainty about the future, can keep your brain in a heightened state of alertness. And over time, this strengthens neuronal pathway linked to anxiety while weakening those tied to clear thinking and decision making, which is located in your prefrontal cortex. So, how the brain rewire itself? Neuroplasticity relies on the process like production of BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and connectivity. So the activities such as exercise, learning new skill, and the quality sleep increase BDNF, enhancing the brain ability to rewire. So conversely, the chronic stress elevates the cortisol, which damage neuron and suppress BDNF, and making it harder to brain to adapt. By adopting habit that lower cortisol, which is the stress hormone, and boost BDNF, which is work as your brain fertilizer, you can strengthen neuronal pathway, which is associated with calm and resilience, while weakening those tied to stress. This process requires consistent practice, but lead to long-lasting changes. Now I'll give you some practical neuroplasticity strategy. To rewire your brain for resilience, incorporate a small evidence-based habit into your routine. So number 1, mindfulness. Practicing 5 minutes of focused breathing daily strengthens the prefrontal cortex, improving emotion and regulation, and reducing amygdala activity. And number 2, exercise. Engaging in 20 minutes of the moderate activity such as walking or yoga boost BDNF, supporting neuronal growth. And the third, sleep. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of sleep allows the brain to process emotion and consolidate new neuronal connection. And lack of sleep heightens stress and emotional reactivity. Number 4, learning. Spending a few minutes daily on a new skill, like playing an instrument or studying a language, stimulates neuronal growth and enhance overall brain flexibility. And number 5, social connection. Spending time with trusted friend or family reduces the cortisol and increase oxytocin, that is love hormone, or you can say bonding hormone, fostering a sense of safety and calm. These habits, when practiced regularly, reshape your brain neuronal pathway, making resilience more attainable. Now I'll give you the 7-day Brain Rewire challenge. To apply neuroplasticity in your life, try this 7-day challenge. So, day 1, practice 5 minutes of mindfulness meditation, focusing on your breath. And the number 2, take a 20-minute walk without your phone. And the number 3, avoid screen for 1 hour before bed to improve sleep quality. Number 4, spend 5 minutes learning a new skill like drawing or a language phrase. Day 5, write down 3 things you are grateful for to shift your focus from the stress. And day 6, connect with a friend or family member in person for a meal or conversation. And the final, day 7, reflect on the changes in your focus, your mood, or your energy. Choose one habit to continue. And by the end of the week, you may notice a small improvement in your focus, calm, or motivation. And these changes signals your brain's adaptation to new habit. By adopting these habits, you are not just managing your stress, you are reshaping your brain for a calmer, more resilient future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.